Hi everyone, it's Catherine. Did you know that Gel Moment offers 3 different models of LED lamps to cure your gel polish? That's right, 3 different models to cater to your specific needs. Let's take a look at each one of them, shall we? Here we have the Gel Moment Mini LED lamp. Created to cure 2 polished fingers at a time, this lamp is super practical. It may be tiny, but it sure is efficient. With its 60-second preset timer, all you have to do is place your fingers onto the base of the lamp and then press the button on top to activate the LED lights. It's that simple. The lamp will turn off automatically after 60 seconds, enough time to ensure that your coat of Gel Moment polish has been fully cured. Then, simply repeat the process for each coat you apply. This lamp is so compact, it can easily fit into your purse. And because it's USB compatible, you can use it to achieve your salon quality mani-pedi almost anywhere. It comes in 3 colors, black, red, and pink. Now, let's talk about the Gel Moment Professional LED lamp. This unique and stylish LED lamp comes equipped with an automatic 45-second timer. For professional use, this lamp is designed with 4 indentations for maximum comfort and simplicity for placing your fingers under the light. Press the button to activate the lamp and it will switch off automatically after 45 seconds. This also gives you super comfortable pedicures with its wide opening. Just slip your toes into the lamp. That's what I call time efficiency. By the way, this 4-finger professional LED lamp comes in purple and fuchsia. Last but not least, here is the Gel Moment Deluxe LED lamp. This lamp has 4 contoured finger indents as well as a 45-second preset timer just like the professional lamp. But what's really special about this model is that it's equipped with a sensor-activated curing process. In addition, there's an LED display that shows you the remaining time until the curing process is complete. No need to press any buttons, just insert your hand or foot and let the deluxe lamp do the rest. Your pedicures will be easier than ever. You won't even have to bend down to activate the lamp. All 3 of our LED lamps come with a lifetime warranty, and the bulbs have an estimated lifespan of 50,000 hours of use. That's a lot of manicures. So there you have it, all the information you need to choose the perfect Gel Moment LED lamp for you.